Thank you. Thank you, Eric. So good afternoon. My name is József Nyíri, CTO of IND Group. IND Group is an online banking and mobile banking technology vendor in Europe. We have more than 30 banks in Europe who run our technology. And our key differentiator is how to turn online banking and mobile banking to a sales channel with usability by design. Today we are showcasing our mobile banking technology, and we truly believe that mobile can be the primary channel to manage your finances. Today it's not like that, though. And we think that there is a way how to achieve this, but we need to learn from other players. There are some players who are on a good way, like Facebook, Twitter, or even Gmail. You use your mobile to access these services primarily because they send you continuously messages, push messages, which then consolidated into a feed of messages which you can browse on your smartphone. And what we have invented is what we call a bank feed, which is a feed of financial messages which are all related to me. I'm logged into my smartphone mobile banking app, and I can see here on my bank feed what are the transactions that I have made. I have a salary income. I have alerts on my FX rates. I can basically customize this bank feed on just pushing settings and feed display settings, and I can subscribe to different feed items, like I'd like to see in my feed my transactions, special offers from the bank, or daily exchange rates. But I like them turned on because I consider all useful now. So I can see that I receive my salary from my workplace, 3,200 euros, and I can see all the details of the transaction. I go to my finances, my account overview, where I can see that on my current account I have something like 3,600. So it's time to pay the bills. I go back to my bank feed, and I just review what are the bills that I need to pay. I can see that I have an electric bill that I received in my bank feed from my electricity provider. I click on that and I can see that I need to pay something like 32 euros. So I do authorize this transaction with one touch. Here we are using our built-in mobile token technology, and I need to provide my PIN to open this application, and in behind it generated me a one-time password, which then I used to authorize this transaction, this one-time payment. I clicked send to bank, and this transaction has been processed. After I've done this, of course, I'd like to see my budgets, whether I do have some more money to spend, and yeah, I'm pretty much okay. I have 72% spent of my monthly budget, though my personal care transactions was a little bit overspent. So after this, I go back to my bank feed to see what else do I have there, and I just can go down a little bit and realize that I have a special offer from my bank, like about a co-branded credit card. And if I'm interested in this, I click Apply Now. And it doesn't open a long form, but it basically opens a native call functionality of the phone, so I can call the call center and show my interest to that product. So after showing you how easy and how frequently I can use this mobile banking because I have a bank feed, I would like to show you how easy it can be to make a person-to-person payment. Roland, who is here with me, yesterday he lent me 200 euros in the restaurants where we were, and he's opening his mobile banking app, and what he just say, going under payments, he would like to receive money from me. So he says that he's using a QR code to receive money. We will see what that is. And he would like to receive that money to his current account. And at the same time, on my mobile phone, on the right, I say payments, and I would like to send money with using this QR code technology. And in this time, my phone's photo app opens, which Roland moves over. His phone basically reads the QR code, and that QR code did include his financial information, his name, his address, his account number, which I then used to initiate a one-time money transfer. So I click Next, and select my current account as the source account. I say it was like 200 euros that I'm just giving it back to him. And I can, of course, categorize this transaction under food and drink and restaurants. And of course, I finish signing this transaction with the same built-in security device, our mobile token, which generates a one-time password, which is then inserted to the approval screen, and then I send it to the bank. So what we have seen here and at this mobile banking app is the mobile really can be the primary place and channel for finances if it is really simple, if it is usable, and if there is something which motivates me for the daily use, like push messages every day, which then I feel the urge to open it and what are the new messages from my bank. Some time to time I will not do any transaction, just browse through the feed, but still it will be a daily financial experience which I didn't have so far. If you are interested in more on how to turn mobile banking into a really primary channel for finances, please come to our booth, IND Group. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.